My name is LaShonda Swansea, and I'm currently the digital photography teacher for B-Roll Media and Arts. The digital photography class here at B-Roll is a class that is offered to teenagers between the ages of 13 and 17, and we learn basic photography, fundamentals such as exposure, composition. We go on field trips. We basically just build the eye on how to see things differently. We went over the basics of the camera, of a DSLR. We touched on composition, leading lines, which is having your subject, having the lines lead up and be focused on your subject. And we also talked about freezing motion. We talked about the 3 elements that make a good exposure: ISO, shutter speed, and f-stop or aperture settings. Being a freelance photographer, an actual professional photographer, I feel that it's very important to give back to our youth. And with B-Roll Media and Arts, I find that they're an outlet, a nonprofit that's able to do that. We touch so many lives. We are able to share what we know and give children who don't have the opportunity in school to be able to look at the world differently through art, through different media outlets. And I love what I do. I love being able to pour in to our children. I think it's very important.
Hey, my name is Joseph. I'm 16 years old, and I enjoy photography because there's a large variety of, there are very large types of photography. Like, you don't really need to take pictures of people and stuff. You can also take pictures of landscapes and buildings.
My name is Brianna Falwell, and I'm 15 years old. I believe that I'm not that good at speaking or writing, and pictures can speak 1,000 words, so that's why I like photography.
Hi, my name is Asanti. I am 10 years old, and I enjoy photography because I want to be a producer. My name is Moshe Gray, and I'm 14, and the reason I like photography is because I like other types of art. I'm into all of the art, so this is just another add-on to my list of that art. So if it's free and I can learn enough from it and take on my career from that, I'll do it.
Hi, my name is Jordan Haynes, and I'm 15. I like photography because it gives me a chance to express my creativity, and I just like the background of it, and especially different people that are in the field of photography.
Hello, my name is Jean Lubika, and I'm 12 years old. And why I really like photography is because it just gives me a chance to express myself and to help me better understand focus, and it just helps calm me, and I really, really like nature and things like that.
Our classes are free, as I mentioned earlier. We did not want cost to be an obstacle for young people not to be able to get some of the training that we offer. We bring in media professionals to teach these classes, not only myself, but other people in the industry. And we charge no cost for these classes that we offer. Yes, I think some of the benefits are we concentrate on being mentors to these young people. We try to build their self-esteem. We give them an opportunity to keep up with the technology in the broadcast media industry. We allow them an outlet to express themselves creatively. So I think that the benefits far outweigh the costs that we could charge for these type of activities. Well, I looked at how media and art, the importance it played in my life. I came up as a young person in the DC public school system and was diagnosed with a learning disability. During the time I was in school, dyslexia was not looked at as a learning disability. So I was not, according to my teachers, I was not a good student. I did not learn well. So the whole idea of starting B-Roll was to give a kid an opportunity that maybe didn't learn like everyone else, that maybe did not have the interest of learning in a traditional school setting.
The way that we approach teaching our students in a non-traditional way, we use different schemes. We use formulas with math. In photography and filmmaking, math is a very important component in developing one's ability to do photography, one's ability to understand exposure, shutter speed, all the aspects that you need in order to make film. Our structure are usually an 8-week class, usually on Saturdays, 4 hours per week, a 32-hour session. We travel around PG County. We are currently partners with PG County Parks and Recreation, so a lot of our classes are offered through their facilities as well. If anyone wants to learn more about B-Roll Media and Arts, visit our website, www.b-roll, media.org.
I am a film instructor for B-Roll Media, and this is the second class I've taught. This one is a classic filmmaking course.
The kinds of classes I've taken here were the photography classes and the film classes. And what I learned was how to not only operate a camera, but how to use different compositions, how to use different lightings to create a certain image, and how to work a camera during film, how the film process works, and I hope to learn more throughout this journey.
I find that the students are excited to see their work come to life. Some of them are more excited to be behind the camera than in front of the camera, but everyone is really interested in seeing the process of shooting the film.
What I am most excited about this program is to see young people learn, to give them an opportunity to create as well as connect the dots, to be inspired. One of our students was able to get into Berkeley School of Music after taking one of our audio engineering classes. And another student got into NYU, into the film program from taking one of our photography and filmmaking classes. So we don't take a lot of credit for those students being able to do that because they did that on their own merit. But I do feel that we contributed to giving them a pathway or a formula to apply to get into those institutions.